These are like my most used lashes. Okay, why did I do that? I don't know. These are so freaking cute. DollHouse 0.3 mix tray. I hope I needed all of these lashes. Hey babes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing a unboxing of all of my favorite lash brands. I got Borboleta here, I got Beyoutiful wandz, and then I have DollHouse. You guys always ask what are my favorite lashes. So for 0.07, I gotta give it to Borboleta OG lashes, which we are going to be opening first. And also you guys ask what are my 0.03 lashes, like mega lashes, and I have to give it to DollHouse. Ever since I tried DollHouse lashes, they just fan like butter. They're super black, so like soft, and the same, I can say the same for Borboleta. They fan so easy. They are not easy fans. The Borboleta OG or DollHouse, they're not easy fans. I hand make all my fans, and with these both brands I can fan on the strip. Borboleta, I know that a lot of their artists use the Borby bubbles, which you pick up a bundle of lashes, you place it on the bubble and it just fans open. So you can do that method. And then also DollHouse, I see that the girls pinch with DollHouse lashes. So I fan on the strip with DollHouse and with Borboleta OG. So let's see what we got. I got some D.05, a mix tray, because I kind of want to try, like I said, I don't know if you guys have been keeping up with me, but since I got my bigger studio, in my old space when I would order lashes, I said I only have 0.03, 0.07, and 0.15 because I didn't have a huge space to store lashes. But now that I have my bigger space, I want to start carrying 0.5. So I got it in D, and I believe I probably got a different curl as well in 0.5 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, you see I got CC 0.05, and this is also a mixed tray. This is 9 through 12, and then the D1 was 7 through 15. Okay, why did I do that? I don't know. Okay, and then I got my staples, which are my C.07. I go through those like literally pan con queso, like they go so fast. So I have here 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 𝑐𝑀𝑯𝑬𝑹 0.07, and these are all single trays because, like I said, these are like my most used lashes in these lengths. I go through them super duper quick. 0.13 is like the really long lashes, and then 0.9s, I always do inner corners with those, sometimes even outer corners. So those go by so fast. So I got some lashes here, and let's go into Beyoutiful wandz. So I went to a water park this weekend, and I'm like super sunburnt. I don't know why I decided to come to this studio with a off-the-shoulder t-shirt, but I did, and I'm sporting my sunburnt look, I guess. So Beyoutiful wandz, if you guys don't know who Beyoutiful wandz is, definitely go check out their website. I'll have all of these websites linked down below. I believe with Beyoutiful wandz and DollHouse, you can use my code. I don't know what code it is, but I'll have it in the description box to get some money off. Not with Borboleta. Not with Borboleta, but Beyoutiful wandz, they are a aftercare. You could customize aftercare, and that is what I have here today. Hopefully it came out cute. Let me see. Wow. Okay, I think they came out super cute. When I opened up my own studio, I decided to call it Jesica Lashes. That is what my skincare shop license is, like my tax license. Everything is under Jesica Lashes, like my website and I am kind of over it. Now I kind of want to steer towards a different name. Still haven't decided what name yet, but because I am in a new space, I decided to switch my aftercare bottles, and these are so freaking cute. So I got this little design. Let me see if you guys can see it, if it's going to focus. Super cute Jessica lashes, and it's just like a little lash wash. I got the 30 ml, so the mini kind. They also have so many things that you guys can customize on their website to have in your space. She also retails, like, I think Prolong, which I use for aftercare. What else does she retail? Lashes, tweezers, adhesives. She has so much stuff on her website, like necklace, like lash merch. So go check out her website if you guys have never heard of Beyoutiful Wands. You will not be disappointed. Now let's go to DollHouse. Last but not least, I got this DollHouse package. I love DollHouse. They have a podcast, they have merch. If you guys don't know who DollHouse is, are you even a real subscriber? Because I always talk about DollHouse. I love them. They come out with the cutest lash merch, and again, their 0.03 lashes are just everything. So let me see what I ordered. They did send it over with some little, I don't know what these are called, little worms. So let me get them out to show you which lashes I got. Okay, I am a little confused on why I ordered these particular curls and lengths and all that stuff. If I'm being real honest with you guys, I never finished doing my lash inventory. I just ordered before I finished counting everything. If you guys have seen that video, if it's already up, you guys know why, because it's so freaking stressful. But let's see what I got. I got 0.03 C curl mix, and it is lengths 8 all the way to 15. I got 2 of those. So I got 2 of the C.3 mix trays. Okay, then these make a lot more sense. Single trays in C.03. I did 12 and 13. These make more sense because those are like the lengths that I always use, and I'm sure I've ran out of. And then I got a D.3 mix tray. So I got Borboleta 0.5 mix tray, and then I came over here and got DollHouse 0.3 mix tray. So I hope I needed all of these lashes. I feel like I did, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's little mini unboxing. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with a lash friend. Let's share the lash love. Everything that I mentioned will be in the description box down below, so you guys can go shop. Again, 0.07 lashes by Borboleta are my favorite, and the 0.03 by DollHouse is my favorite. So go check all of these brands out if you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. And until then, bye my loves. You can also subscribe right here. Click the face and you are subscribed. And yes, my background doesn't look all pristine, and that's because it's still getting updated as I'm filming this. If you want to watch 2 other of my videos, they will be right here for you. Love you. Bye.